nation today remembered the supreme sacrifice of Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, martyred in the Handwara encounter on Saturday. A wreath-laying ceremony and his last rites were performed in Jaipur today. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot also paid his last respects to the brave heart. The commanding officer of the 21 Rashtriya Rifles unit was a decorated officer who had been part of several successful counter-terrorism operations in the past as well. Colonel Ashutosh was among the 5 security personnel who died on Saturday night in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Handwara, an operation in which the army also lost a major. The Braves neutralized 2 terrorists in the operation and eventually succumbed.
पूरे मुल्क को गर्व है उनके त्याग पर, बलिदान पर, और जिस रूप में उन्होंने अपने देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी है वो हम सब के लिए फख्र की बात है। आतंकवाद का मुकाबला करना हम सबका फर्ज है। पूरा मुल्क एक है, अखंड है इस बात के लिए। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि वो उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे।
Ashutosh Sharma represents every gallant soldier who is fighting the terrorists. He's fighting for the state, he's fighting for the country, and he's fighting for the honor of his army. His bravery, his deeds will never ever be forgotten, and neither will Mrs. Ashutosh Sharma, Pallavi, a very, very honored member of our community, ever be forgotten. We will be there for them always and every time, and I salute Ashutosh Sharma and heroes like him. Jai Hind.
My colleague Gaurav Sawant also spoke to Colonel Ashutosh's wife, Pallavi, just yesterday. Here's what she said.
Ma'am, please accept our heartfelt condolences. It's a great loss to you, ma'am. It's a great loss to our nation. Ma'am, if I may, when was the last time you spoke to Colonel Sharma, ma'am?
I spoke to him on 1st of May. It was 26th raising day of his battalion, 21 RR. That time we spoke for a while, I would say hardly for a minute or so.
Ma'am, I've been speaking to a number of army officers and they say your husband was exceptionally brave, a Sena Medal for gallantry twice. I believe he had the option to command his unit in peace, but he chose to command a Rashtriya Rifles unit in the valley in North Kashmir. Is that true? Did the two of you discuss this, ma'am?
It was, I would say, a mutual decision. He took permission from me. It was something mutual. I want to command in field. I want to command my men. I want to serve nation. So should I go for it? Will you support me? I said, it's totally for me, it's about your happiness and your satisfaction. I would never want you to command in peace and having all those luxuries and you not being happy and satisfied. That was the thing we discussed.
Did he discuss the current environment in the valley with you? You've also been to the valley, I'm told. You're aware of the environment he was serving in?
Mrs. Sawant, in Kashmir, he served for 2.5 years and he was about to complete another 2 years. So I was very much aware how things are there, and I used to visit him often following the army protocols. So I had been to that place a number of times. So I had an idea how things are there, how environment is there.
Ma'am, one thing I've learned about Colonel Sharma is that even as a company commander, he always led from the front. His main aim was to ensure that his men stayed safe. Is there something that you can tell us about his nature? And did he discuss this with you earlier operations, the fact that he won a Sena Medal twice for gallantry in the past, ma'am? And also, what have you learnt about what happened here, ma'am?
Definitely, Mrs. Sawant. At present, I am really not in picture what happened yesterday over there. I'm not in that mind frame to have that details, but definitely I personally feel saving those civilians, saving those Kashmiris over there make no sense, and that too at cost of army officers, at cost of army lives. It makes no sense. It's a big loss for everyone. At the same time, it's a gain for me, I would say, in terms of honor, in terms of sacrifice he had done. But then one should understand no one can ever match the way he used to lead his men, the way he used to care about them, the way he was so honest towards his profession. His only priority was his uniform.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.